Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey to the heart of tradition at the Chirakkal Kavu, nestled in the serene landscapes of Thalassery, a spectacle that beautifully blends devotion, art, and community spirit. Imagine stepping into a sacred grove, a pocket of nature revered for its spiritual significance. A kavu in Kerala is precisely that, a traditional sacred grove or a small temple, often dedicated to powerful local deities like Bhagavathi, Nagas, or ancestral spirits. These spaces are not just places of worship, they are vibrant hubs of cultural expression, deeply intertwined with the rhythms of village life. Kalasham dance in the context of a kavu refers to specific dance sequences that are part of the ritualistic performances held in these sacred spaces, particularly during festivals. During Kavu festival time, thick with anticipation and the scent of blooming jasmine, as the rhythmic beats of the chenda and Theyyam rise, a palpable energy courses through the gathered villagers, when the vibrant Kalasham dancers enter the sacred grove. Chenda melam, just the thought of it makes the air vibrate with energy. Imagine being amidst a throng of people, and suddenly, from a distance, you hear this powerful, resonant rumble. It starts subtly, a deep, steady beat that seems to emanate from the very earth. Kavu during festival time transforms into a sacred theater when Theyyam arrives. Imagine the twilight deepening, the flickering oil lamps casting dancing shadows, and then, from a distance, the stirring sounds begin, the rhythmic beating of the chenda.
And now, the moment they've all been waiting for has arrived. A hush falls over the Kavu, the usual festive chatter replaced by a profound reverence. And it is almost 4 a.m. in the morning. This dramatic shift in lighting is no mere coincidence. It's a powerful visual cue, a signifier of the deity's arrival in her full, potent glory. The red symbolizes her fierce energy, her protective power, and her triumph over darkness. It's as if the very atmosphere of the Kavu is resonating with her divine presence, the lights themselves bowing in reverence to her arrival. Alright everyone, as the final vibrant hues of the Kavu festival begin to soften and the echoes of the drums gently fade, it's time for me to wind up this video. I truly hope you all enjoyed this glimpse into the heart and soul of this incredible celebration, from the mesmerizing Thalassery dance to the powerful presence of Theyyam. If you felt even a fraction of the magic I experienced here, please do show your support. Your likes, comments, and shares truly encourage me to bring you more glimpses into the rich tapestry of cultures and traditions that make our world so vibrant. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey.